Making pancakes. Making pancakes is a simple and delightful experience. First, gather the ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and a tablespoon of melted butter. Start by mixing the dry ingredients in a bowl. These are the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk the egg and then add the milk and melted butter. Mix well. Next, combine the wet and dry ingredients. Stir until the batter is smooth, but remember, a few lumps are okay. Now, heat a pan over medium heat and add a little butter. Pour a scoop of batter into the pan. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip the pancake. Cook the other side until golden brown. Repeat this process with the remaining batter. Serve the pancakes warm with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh fruits, or whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes.